Do we like the answers in the chat?
All right, guys, time is up. Let's go with your answers first and see what you got. Okay, so Samir, I don't see anything that you got.
Oh, I didn't wrote it.
Dmitry, you don't have to write like the whole the whole answer. Just A, B, C, D, E will be enough.
All right.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go over it. You have different answers. So since you do have different answers, it means that someone is wrong. So let's go. Let x be an odd number. In terms of x, what is the sum of the two even numbers closest to x? This question can be solved with compatible numbers. Come up with any number x being odd. Let's say 7. Okay? Now the closest even numbers to the 7, so this is our x, is 6 and 8, right? Now, if we add them, because they say the sum, right? So if we add them, we will get 14. In terms of x, which is 7, 14 will be what? Twice that, right? Twice the 7. So it means it's going to be 2x. The answer is F. Moving on. Number 81. 81, we have B for everyone, and this is correct. So we're not going to go over this. Number 82. Number 82. 82, you guys got... Well, someone got different answers. So let's see. In a figure above n is a midpoint of MQ. Which segment has the length 2x minus y? All right. So, if this is x and n is in the middle, that means that NQ is also x. So both of them, so this whole segment will be 2x. All right, 2x minus this segment, which is y. This is a segment y. So what's left? Samir. Surprised you didn't get it right. This segment is left when we do the whole thing minus the y, which is PQ. The answer is E. Okay, Dmitry Aziz got it right. Next. 83. What is area of a parallelogram shown above? Area of a parallelogram is base times height. Base is 30. Height is not 25. The height is 20. That's how, like, from the lower base to the higher base. 30 times 20 is 600. B. Everyone, no, Aziz didn't get it right. Whoa. Okay. No, multiplied by 25. Okay. This is called slant height. All right, guys. Let's move on. Let's continue this thing. I want you to be doing the next page, and you get 8 minutes again. Some of these questions are actually not even worth. No, 8 minutes is too much. 6 minutes. 6 minutes for these 4 questions. 3, 2, 1, let's go. When you're done, please don't forget to put the answers in the chat. Guys, time.
Okay.
Dmitry, answers.
All right, sorry.
I got you.
I need answers in the chat. It's much easier than asking. Okay, let's go. The first answer number 84, nobody got the same answer. So let's see who is going to be the winner out of all of you. On Wednesday, a baker produced 100 more loaves of bread than were produced on Tuesday. On Thursday, the baker produced 50 fewer loaves than were produced on Tuesday. If the total number of loaves produced on all 3 days was 230, how many loaves were produced on Wednesday? In order to be able to solve this question, you need to know the way, how they are solved. So let's go. It's going to be like this. We have to make like a chart. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And now what they say is that so look at this. A baker produced 100 more loaves on Wednesday, right? It's 100 more. So there is a little information about Wednesday, then Tuesday, right? Now on Thursday, it's 50 fewer than Tuesday. That's also a little bit information about Thursday, and then they say total, right? But they never said anything about Tuesday. So what does that mean? That means that we're going to set up Tuesday as X. Now, it's a classic problem. Now, Wednesday, we're going to set up, since it says 100 more than Tuesday, we're going to set up X. Wednesday, we're going to set up a Wednesday as X plus 100. Because it's more, 100 more. And Thursday, we're going to set up as X minus 50 because it's 50 less or fewer. And now you take all of them and you add them and equal to the total that they said the total was. Let's do it. X plus 100 plus X minus 50, and it all equals to 230. All right, now we have to combine like terms. We're gonna add X, and X. That's gonna be 3X. 100 and minus 50 is going to be plus 50 equals to 230. Now we subtract 50 on both sides. So we get 3X equals to 180. And as a final step, divide by 3. We get X equals to 60. Don't forget that 60 was Tuesday. They say, this is Tuesday. They say how many loaves were produced on Wednesday. The question is about Wednesday. So 60 is not the answer. The correct answer will be 60 plus 100, which is 160. The correct answer is H. Samir is the only one who got it. Look, this live is going to be automatically be posted on my channel, right? So since you don't, hold on one second. No, you do have a paper with you, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you make notes as I write them?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
This
how's it 160?
what do you mean? What do you mean? How is it 160?
230 minus 50 is 160?
Is that where you stopped listening? At this point, about 230? 230 minus 50 equals 180. I divided 180 by 3. That became 60. But 60 is not Wednesday. 60 is Tuesday. Because it's X. And X was Tuesday.
Oh, all right.
Wednesday was X plus 100. Which is 60 plus 100. What is 60 plus 100?
160.
Mm-hmm. Next question. $85. All right. Everyone got different answer. So make sure you make notes. Quiz score 60. Number of students 9. The thing is that in order to find the mean quiz score, we have to find total points scored. How do we find total points scored? 9 people scored 60. So how many points these 9 people scored together?
540.
540. 7 people scored 70 points. So how many points did they score together? These 7
490.
Yes, and guess what we're gonna do? This is gonna be 320. This is going to be 450. This is going to be 300.
100.
Now we're gonna add them all. 0, 13, 15. Okay, that's 20, 0, 2, 7, 11, 14, 18, 21. 2100 points they scored. Now we're gonna do 2100 points divide by how many students there were. How many students there were?
28.
28. So I feel like it's going to be what will make a 0 in the I think it's 75. You know why? You know how I could estimate about like what's the answer here without actually doing the division? There is only one number produces 0 in the end. Like let's say it has to be 28 times something equals 2100, right? That's how division works. This is the backwards division. Now, what number will produce a 0 in the end with the 8? Because maybe wait, maybe 60 will
Oh, wouldn't
produce.
0 also make it?
You're right. For some reason I thought it's hold on. Yeah, you're correct actually. I just realized it when I did it. But is it 75 though? I think it is, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
75, yeah. All right. Just divide then. Just divide. Just do the long division. All right. Who got it? Dmitry got it. Not sure if you did it like that.
Yeah, I
But you
did it
got
like that, just a little differently. All the steps I did.
number 86. Let's see. Well, it's going to be embarrassing if you got that wrong. If any of you got that wrong, E, G, E. Dmitry, they both got E. Did you get something else? You got G here. Well, I want to hear how you got G here. How did you get an answer that starts at 3? Explain. We don't have x here. We have x plus 4. I cannot believe you don't know how to do it. Okay, I guess you don't.
Oh,
That's
I got it.
that's how you do it. You get rid of the 4 first.
Yeah, I got it.
You get x greater or equals to -1. And there is only one answer that starts with -1. It's hard to make a mistake over here. It's like a gift question.
That took me like 15 seconds.
What? That's too long. 5. It should have taken you 5 seconds. It's one step. It's one step. These are like they're all like -1, 1, 3, and 4. As long as you do -4 on both sides and get -1, that's it. It's a 5-second question. All right. 87. The reciprocal of 1/4 is added to the reciprocal of 1/3. What is the reciprocal of the sum? That's an easy question. Let's see who got. Oh my god. Someone got it wrong. Probably. Either Aziz got it wrong or both of you guys got it wrong. What is the reciprocal of 1/4? Samir, what is it?
The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1.
Correct. Or just 4, right?
Yeah,
What is the reciprocal of of 3?
1/3.
So sum, right? Well, like 4 plus 1/3, correct? It's gonna be 4 and 1/3.
You're gonna make it into an improper fraction.
Oh yes, I will make it into a proper fraction. What's the improper fraction there?
13/3.
13 over 3.
But
What
you're
is
gonna find the
yes, what
reciprocal of it.
the reciprocal of it, which is 3 over 13.
3/13.
That's also a 10-second question.
That was easy.
Yeah.
That took me like 15 seconds.
First, I thought of finding the LCD, but then I just realized that 4/1
No,
is just 4.
that's how easy it is.
But it didn't take me long.
All right. Okay, we'll keep going. We keep going. Okay, so remember this. All these notes that I'm making right now, they are important. Why? Because I think this is it. After today's class, I'm asking you, like, we're doing a test, basically. We're doing a test on the questions from the beginning until the ones that we finished today. When your worksheet stops at what question?
93.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do today. Until 93, you will do it. I'll explain it. That's it for today. And so that's only 6 questions left. And then your homework will be thoroughly studied. I'm gonna repeat it again, but what I'm trying to say is that just circling the answer will not work unless you're gonna show me like unless you will be able to explain it to me directly. Otherwise, I'll need work. Like if this would be one of these questions, right? That will a randomizer will choose, and you will just circle 75. This counts as wrong. Whoever will underperform on this will do a lot of homework. Who will overperform or perform well, I'll come up with something nice. Is everyone clear on this?
Yes.
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 Okay, that's a deal. All right, you know what? Obviously, I don't want to give you 2 questions to do. So, how about you just do all 6 questions? And I'm giving you 6 questions, like let's say a minute and 25 seconds each. So, you're supposed to get like 8 minutes ish, 8-ish minutes. Between 8 and 9, I'll stop you. Okay? And I'm going to go over them, and that's it. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Time. Wheel, 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 wheel. I want to see what you got.
Oh, wait, let me let my answers in the chat.
I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Aziz John, Samir, and or you just didn't get there. Fuck, whatever. I'm starting. You don't want to see. You don't want to put it in. It's fine. Number 88.
You got to 114 questions. And you have to do test.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey. Mute. Mute yourself, please. Let's go. Nura made a square poster with a side length of 13 inches. A square poster with a side length 13. Latrice made a square poster with a side length 15. Side length 15. What is the difference in square inches between area of Latrice's poster and Nora's poster? Oh my god. How easy was this question? How many seconds, Michi?
Oh, like 25.
Maybe 25.
I got
25?
like 10 seconds.
If you don't know what's 15 times 15, like right away. But you need to know, though. And obviously this minus this, I don't even have to subtract because it's not 8, 4, and 2. It's 56. Wow, that was easy. Next. The table shows the cups of ingredients used to make 4 servings of oatmeal. Okay. What is the unit rate of cups of oats per cup of water? This we solve with what? Proportion.
Can I say how I did it?
No. Rate cups of oats. So oats is 2/3. And water is 3 1/4. I'm wondering, no, it's still 4 servings doesn't really matter. Cups of oats, so oats will be X, and per 1 cup of water. That was water. That was water. Oats. How do we solve this? 2/3 times 1 divided by 3 1/4. 2/3 divided by 3 1/4 is the same as 2/3 divided by 12, 13
13 over 4.
4 It's the same as 2/3 times 4/13, which is 8/39.
9.
The correct answer is B.
I got that.
Write it down. I want to see this work.
Yeah, I did that work.
Do I move on?
Yes.
Everybody got it? Okay. This is calculations with fractions. Let's see what you guys got it. H, H, H. H, H, H. H was right. So, but I'm not going to go over it right now, but I will still need the work. But I assume you have the work since you all got it. Number 91. In a certain state, the sales tax of 91. See who got what? 91. Okay, different answers. 91. Dmitry, you cannot have H for 91.
Oh, I meant D.
Let's do it. In a certain state, sales tax increased from 7% to 7.5%. What is increase in sales tax on a $200 item? By how much did the percent increased? By how much the tax increased?
0.5.
By 0.5%. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. And also, I meant to have A. I don't know why I typed H.
So 1% of 200 is what? It's 2, right?
2
Which means half of the percent is
is
1. All right. That's how many seconds? 10? Maybe 10? 10 max, I would say. All right, 92. 92. F, we have F, we have F. And I don't know what I see. John didn't put anything.
I got H.
Okay, so let's see. Negative 12, negative 8 minus 12. That's negative 20. Negative 20 plus negative 17 is the same as negative 20 just minus 17, which is negative 37. Negative 37 plus, because minus minus means plus, plus 31 is negative 6. And now absolute value of negative 6 is 6. Minus 24 is negative 18.
Let's go.
Nice.
Last question of the day. I'm talking like a show host. So the table above shows cell phone sales by color. What percentage of cell phones sold were blue? Okay. Let's add everything. I feel like. What would it be? 8K minus 2K, that's 6K, plus K, 7K. Now, basically, you know why am I adding all of this? So let me write it down in a more proper way.
So we could
So I can
figure out K.
so I can figure out k. So I can equal it when I add it. I can equal it to a 100, and I will get the k. By knowing the k, I will be able to get the number, and that number I will plug in for blue. You'll see, basically. Write it down as I do if you didn't get it right. I don't know who didn't get it right. So who got what answer? 93. We have B, we have D, we have different stuff. Okay. All right. 8K minus 2K plus K will be 6 plus 1, 7K. 30 plus 30 plus 5 is 65 equals 100. Subtracting 65, we get 7K equals 35. We divide by 7, and we get K equals to 5. Now that I know what K is, I can go plug it in for blue, right? Because they want blue. And we get 30 minus 2 times 5, which is 30 minus 10, which is 20. 20 out of 100 is what percentage?
Is 20%.
20%.
So it's B.
It is B.
Nope.
All right, guys. All right. Listen. The homework is to learn. Okay. How would I do it if I would not be sure? And by the way, I want you to do it like I really want you to do it this way. I'll tell you how I would do it. If I would be my own student, how I would do it if I would actually care about getting them right. I would open this test, right? Like with my notes in them. And I would go over like the questions that, like, let's say I definitely know how to do. Like, no, like, let's say this, right? Remember I told you like -6, like, so this I don't have to like really go over. But there are some questions, like, let's say that I don't remember. Like this one, let's say I don't remember. What do I do? First, like, I would probably just want to do it separately. Like open this file, right? 2025 SHSAT. Open this file with no markings on it and try to solve it. If I can't, I would go to the notes and see how I did it and how I explained it to you. Understand it, and then do it again. If I don't understand it, and even with my notes, then I would probably just go to the explanations on the bottom of this PDF file. There is also explanations there, and study there. So that's what I would do. And then I would just like browse like which questions I don't remember how to do. Do I remember how to do this? Do I remember how to do that? Do I remember how to do this? Do I remember how to do that? If I do, good. If I don't, I'm going over. I'm doing it. I'm doing these questions. Look, right now it's Tuesday, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Sunday also counts because you come in at 1, so you can go over a little bit in the morning too. Go over them, like solve them, right? I don't think you would have any problems with the questions we solved today, especially after I explained them, right? So this is all you have to do. Please.
Yeah, and we also have a break, like February break.
Oh yeah, and you are going to have a break after the Sunday. On Monday you don't go to school. So please, I think that will make you move faster, because we're gonna do the same thing with the next 30 questions. This next time, you'll see yourself how are you improving if you actually do it honestly. It's not that hard to do. It's very useful. Look, you need to trust me on this one. I've been doing it for like 11 years already, and I know what helps, what doesn't help. I'm not flooding you with homework like other tutoring centers do, because it's kind of useless. They just do it for whatever reason. So I don't. But when I say that this is important, this is important. And don't forget that you need to show the work too. Ask yourself a question. Do I know the work? How to show the work to Roman, like that I actually, because the work is the proof that you did not remember the answer. It's the proof that you understand the question. I need to hear that you're clear on this from everyone, and then we can go.
Yeah, it's clear.
Samir, Aziz,
Oh, Aziz John left, but it's good.
really? Something happened? Okay. I guess, write it also in the homework note. But okay, for two of you, you said that it's clear, and that's it. I believe you. Okay. Have the rest of the week a good one, and I'll see you on Sunday.
All right, see ya.
See ya.